Well, hey there. I'm going to do a special video today in this series, the What If series. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please do that either on YouTube or here on Facebook. I think this is going to be an impactful series for you. And if you have any what if questions that you're thinking about, feel free to ask in the comments, or you can also email me privately, what if, and ask a question that you have at paralegalcoffeetalk@yahoo.com. So this one today is, what if you could create more security and stability in your paralegal career? Now I'm going to list 4 ways, okay? And yes, you can do that. First way is, do not think of this as a job, a 9-to-5 job. Think of it as a career you're building that has wonderful flexibility. You can take it to all the 50 states, okay? California has some different criteria regarding education and all of that, but the other 49 states usually allow 3 ways to get in. So, and that is the 2-year degree, a certificate, or none of the above, okay? So I think of it as a career you're building. Number 2, you have the capability, once you start gaining experience in your first job, of increasing your salary. But that doesn't mean always that you'll stay at the same workplace, okay? But you have the capability because you trade off on everything you have learned. The next one is, because of that, people will want to hire you. When you can talk about what you know how to do, you can increase that salary, you can impress the hiring attorney, but you have to know what you know how to do. That's why I tell you to write it down in your trusty notebook, okay? And the last one is, never stop learning. Ever. Never, never stop. Keep adding to your repertoire. Keep adding to your bank of knowledge. So Google is your BFF. Research on Google. Get the playbook that I offer all the time. It's free, no charge. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look around the whole website. It's just for beginners only. And when you look at the Paralegal Resource Hub and you hover over that tab, you will see the playbook. Download that, but also go back, and maybe you have to use another email address, but sign up for the hub so you can look inside. That's no charge. Everything's free there. So go do that today and build a career, not a 9-to-5 job.